Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to hide your WhatsApp message or chat. You can hide any messages. So for that, just open the WhatsApp. Then here, if you want to hide this message, the first one I will do that so that you know how to do it. So for example, I'm taking these first messages. So for that, what you have to do is just swipe from the right, click on more, then click on lock chat. So once you click on lock chat, click on continue. Then it will ask your face ID. So it will disappear over here. Then you can see a lock chat on the top. So click on that. And with your face ID, it will open again. Go to the setting. Go to hide lock chats. And it will ask you to put a PIN number. So use my secret code or change your secret code. So I'll put the new code just for demonstration. So I'll just put 1234 for now. And just confirm your code. Click on OK. So once you do that, go to the back and then go here. So you cannot see that message anymore, not even lock chat. So to find that message, what you have to do is go to the top on the search bar, write 1234 your code. Then only you will be able to see your lock chat. Then here you can go and open the messages. You can change or do a different PIN number depending upon your requirement. So this is how you can hide your chat and no one can find your messages until you put the code on the search bar. I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. This will give me a motivation to make such videos. And I will see you in another video. Thank you.